The renewed eruption of Mount Etna in eastern Sicily has forced the closure of Catania International Airport, causing widespread disruption to air traffic across the region. Following the release of large amounts of volcanic ash into the atmosphere, Italian aviation authorities suspended operations at the airport, while some flights were diverted to alternative airports, primarily Palermo. According to the Italian National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, this latest eruption is part of an ongoing period of volcanic activity that began in late June. Following several days of lava flows, volcanic ash emissions increased, with a plume rising about 1.5 kilometers, 0.9 miles above the volcano's crater. Winds carried the ash toward the Catania area, creating hazardous conditions for flights and leading to the temporary closure of the airport. The Italian island of Sicily is on alert again after Mount Etna showed increased volcanic activity in recent months. Known as one of the most active volcanoes in the world, the volcano has again spewed volcanic ash, gas, and incandescent material from its summit crater. This activity has attracted the attention of local authorities, volcanologists, and residents living near the mountain slopes. Mount Etna stands approximately 3,300 meters above sea level and is located on the east coast of Sicily. Over thousands of years, the volcano has experienced hundreds of eruptions of varying intensity, ranging from small eruptions to lava flows several kilometers high. Due to its near-continuous activity, Etna is one of the most studied volcanoes by geologists in the world. The recent increase in activity is characterized by the release of volcanic ash columns rising high into the atmosphere. Furthermore, monitoring sensors have recorded an increase in volcanic vibrations, or tremors, indicating the movement of magma beneath the surface. This phenomenon indicates that pressure within the volcano is increasing, necessitating continued vigilance regarding the potential for further eruption. Italian civil protection authorities immediately raised the alert status and tightened monitoring of Mount Etna's activity. A volcanology team from the Geological Monitoring Institute continues to conduct observations using thermal cameras, seismic sensors, satellite imagery, and drones to obtain a more accurate picture of the crater's condition. The data obtained is used as a basis for determining mitigation measures and providing information to the public. Although the eruption has not yet been categorized as a major eruption, local authorities continue to urge residents to avoid approaching the summit. Hiking trails leading to dangerous areas have been temporarily closed to avoid the risk of being thrown by incandescent rocks or exposed to volcanic gases, which could endanger safety. Volcanic ash carried by the wind has also begun to blanket several areas around Mount Etna. A thin layer of ash has reportedly covered roads, vehicles, rooftops, and even agricultural land. This situation disrupts daily activities because volcanic ash can reduce visibility, impair breathing, and damage vehicle engines if not promptly cleared. In addition to impacting the lives of residents, Mount Etna's activity has also impacted the air transportation sector. Catania Airport, one of the main gateways to the island of Sicily, has had to adjust its operations due to the spread of volcanic ash in the airspace. Several flights were delayed, diverted, and even temporarily canceled to ensure flight safety. Volcanic ash is known to be extremely dangerous for aircraft engines because its fine particles can enter the turbine system and disrupt engine performance. In the agricultural sector, volcanic ash has a dual impact. In the short term, ash can damage crops, covering leaves and inhibiting photosynthesis. However, in the long term, volcanic material can actually improve soil fertility due to its rich mineral content. This is why the slopes of Mount Etna have long been known as a fertile agricultural area, producing a variety of commodities such as grapes, olives, oranges, pistachios, and various other fruits. For the people of Sicily, Mount Etna's activity is not an unfamiliar phenomenon. Many residents have lived alongside the volcano for generations. They understand the constant risk of eruption, but they also recognize that Etna's presence provides significant economic benefits, primarily through agriculture and tourism. Mount Etna attracts millions of tourists from various countries every year. Visitors come to witness the unique volcanic landscape, hardened lava flows, and spectacular views of the crater. Tourism usually continues as long as conditions are deemed safe by local authorities. However, when volcanic activity increases, access to some areas will be closed to protect tourist safety. Scientists emphasize that current volcanic activity is within the natural characteristics of Mount Etna. However, developments must be continuously monitored, as changes in activity can occur rapidly. Modern monitoring systems allow experts to detect small changes that could potentially indicate increased eruptive activity.